Good morning, students. Standard 6, Subject Science, Lesson 2, The World of Plants. Today, we are going to learn about first session recapitulation of previous class. First question, the root system is classified into dash types. Yes, very good students. The root system is classified into two types. The next second question, the smaller roots called dash roots. Yes, lateral roots. The smaller roots called lateral roots. Next third question, taproot system is present in dash plants. Yes, very good. Dicotyledonous plants. The taproot system is present in dicotyledonous plants. Good. Next, fourth one, fixation and absorption are the main function of dash. Yes, good. Root. Fixation and absorption are the main function of root. Good. Very good, students. Today we are going to learn about shoot system. The aerial part of the plant body above the ground is known as the shoot system. The shoot system is above the soil. The main axis of the shoot system is called the stem. The main axis of the shoot system is called the stem. The shoot system consists of stem, leaf, flower and fruits. All of you look at the picture. This is stem. Parts of the plant. The stem grows above the soil. The stem grows above the soil and it grows towards the sunlight. It has nodes and internodes. Nodes are the parts of the stem where leaves are raised. The part of the stem between two successive nodes is called internodes. The bud at the tip of the stem. The bud at the tip of the stem is known as apical or terminal bud. Apical or terminal bud. And the buds at the axial of the leaves are called axillary buds. The axial of the leaves, they are called axillary buds. The next topic is functions of the stem. Support the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The stem support the branches, leaves, flowers and fruits. The next one, transport water and minerals from roots to upper aerial parts of the plants. The stem is transport water and minerals from root to upper the aerial parts of the plant. The next third one, transport the prepared food from leaves to other parts of the stem. Then last one, store food as in the case of sugar cane. The next topic is leaf. Parts of the leaf. All of you look at the picture. The leaf is a green color. The leaf is a green color and flat expand structure borne on the stem at the node. A leaf has a stalk called petiole. All of you look at the picture. The last one, petiole. The leaf has a stalk called petiole. The flat portion of the leaf is called the lamina or leaf blade. On the lamina, there are a main vein called the midrib. Other veins are branched from midrib. The portion of the leaf connect the nodal region of the stem is known as leaf base. Leaves of some plants possess a pair of lateral outgrowth on the base on either side of axillary bud. These are called stipules. The next one, the green color of the leaf is due to the presence of green colored pigment called chlorophyll. On the lower side of the leaf, there are tiny pores or opening. Is known as stomata. The next topic is function of the leaf. Function of the leaf. First point, the green leaves prepare food by photosynthesis. The green leaves prepare food by photosynthesis. The next one, they help in respiration. They help in respiration. The next third one, they carry out transpirations. They carry out transpirations. Okay, students, I will stop my session. I hope you will be able to understand this class, and remaining portion we will see the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.